AI at the heart of global conversations, seeking unity amidst advancement. TLDR, at a recent United Nations Security Council meeting, discussions revolved around the massive implications of artificial intelligence. Secretary-General Antonio Guterres emphasized the need for collective governance and the potential of AI for good. Speakers recognized AI's profound societal benefits and cautioned against unchecked development. AI's role in perpetuating biases and threats to international peace was also explored. When it comes to technologies that are shifting the paradigms of our society, AI stands out. As UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres put it, AI will have an impact on every area of our lives. But with these monumental changes, come new challenges and questions. How do we manage this rapidly evolving tech? Guterres sees the UN as the ideal hub for managing AI. In his perspective, the global standards and approaches required are best channeled through this international entity. But is there a unified vision? While AI can be a tremendous force for good, benefiting sectors such as health, education, and human rights, it's crucial to recognize its potential darker side. Unchecked, the power of AI could pose threats to privacy, security, and more. The sentiments of Jack Clark, co-founder of Anthropic, align with Guterres. He believes that the development of AI shouldn't be the exclusive domain of the private sector. But is it feasible to rally global governments for a collective effort in AI governance? Yi Tseng, professor at the Institute of Automation, highlighted another pressing concern: human imitation. His statement, "AI should never pretend to be human," emphasizes that while AI can assist, it should never usurp human decision-making. How do we ensure that AI remains a tool and not the decision-maker? British Foreign Secretary James Cleverly spoke of AI's evolution, noting the profound transformations yet to come. In echoing these sentiments, Omran Sharaf, Assistant Minister of Foreign Affairs in the UAE, urged a proactive stance. He warned against AI perpetuating biases, stressing the importance of inclusivity. Can the international community ensure AI doesn't inadvertently amplify societal divisions? Zhang Jun, China's permanent representative to the UN, and US envoy Jeffrey de Laurentiis, both lauded AI's benefits while expressing concerns. From the spread of false information to threats of international unrest, they conveyed the dual nature of AI. So, as AI hurdles forward, the key question remains: how can the international community collaborate to ensure that this transformative technology benefits all while minimizing potential harm? First seen at VOA News. With AI's omnipresence, are we truly prepared to navigate its complexities on a global scale?